So the brakes on this thing grind and don't work that good anymore on the front. So today we're going to change the brakes on a 2000 Toyota 4Runner SR5 two-wheel drive. We're just going to do the front brakes. We'll see how it goes and how they look.
They look like the right ones.
So I'm getting good at screwing up here. Got the wrong rotors. They're an inch too small in diameter. So now I gotta drive like 30 minutes into town to go find the correct ones. Woohoo! Hopefully I got the correct pads too. So I'll be back after I go find the right rotors. Alright, made it back from the parts store. Got the correct rotors this time. So we're going to work on getting those installed now. Don't judge me, but I don't think that's supposed to happen. But we're going to just clean it and ignore it and act like it never happened. And we'll continue with the brakes. Alright, this is probably the best brake tutorial you've ever seen. But that's how they go, like that. Put the pads in like that, you pin them in with that and that and that, and then they're on. So now we can put the rotor on, bolt the caliper back on, and the wheels. Just make sure to pump the brakes before you go anywhere. And then we'll see how much fluid I need to add, because it decided to piss all over the driveway. Alright, so there is why my brakes were noisy and grinding. You can see the groove there, and then I figured the best way to use your brakes is use all of them, I guess. And that's exactly what I did. Probably went a little too long before changing them, but got them changed now. New brakes and rotors in. Out with the old, in with the new. Got it all put back together, and once I start it up and pump the brakes, I'll make sure my reservoir is still full, because we did puke a bunch of it out. But if it's low, I'll go ahead and top that off. So, but that'll wrap up this video. Thanks for watching.